Hi, so I was asked how to set protection on a sheet so that nobody else can edit it. So I've just got two sheets in here, nothing in them. I'm going to go to Data, Protected Sheets and Ranges. I'm going to add a sheet or a range. You can add a range or you can select a whole sheet. You can set a name for it. You can set to protect the whole sheet except for certain cells if you want, but I'm not going to do that here. I'm going to set permissions, and this is set to only me and the spreadsheet owner because I'm not the owner of the sheet. So the owner can set it to just him or herself. It's done. So that's now protected. I can't show you it, but yeah, it works. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.